Let's look at the Cell Structure Gizmo from Explore Learning. We can launch the gizmo by pressing on this bar, wait a moment for the gizmo to load, and scroll down just a little bit to make sure the entire gizmo is seen on our screen. Here there are three tabs. There's an animal cell, plant cell, and a bacteria cell. We can start looking at our animal cell, for example, a cell from our hand, our skin. And right away, we see a magnified view of our animal cell. This is currently at 1,000 time magnification, although you can zoom in a little more and you could move the viewer view a little bit. So we'll stay at 1,000 times for now. And by clicking on the different parts of the cell, we will highlight different parts of the cell. And the description of that organelle will be shown to us here. So here we have a mitochondria, we have a Golgi body, we have our endoplasmic reticulum. You can also choose different organelles by using this drop-down menu. And for some organelles, there is this show close-up feature. So let's take a closer look at the cell membrane. We see that water molecule and ions, water molecules can pass, but large molecules such as glucose cannot pass through the cell membrane directly. However, the ions and things like glucose can pass through channel proteins. We can look at other ones as well. We have mitochondrion, and again, it tells you what a mitochondrion does. And if we go on show close-up, it will tell us that glucose is split into two molecules, and then these two molecules enter the mitochondria. It reacts with oxygen to produce energy and carbon dioxide. So you're encouraged to go through all of these organelles and see what they do. Not all of them will have a show close-up, but many of them do. Similarly, for the plant, we can take a sample of the plant cell. Automatically, it shows us a zoom of 1,000 times. We can see all the different organelles. You can click on them on the diagram, or you can select them on this drop-down menu. So again, plants also have mitochondrion. In this case, let's look at the chloroplasts. Take a close-up view of it, and we see light hitting the chloroplasts. This is light energy. And then we have carbon dioxide and water in the chloroplasts through the process of photosynthesis, creating oxygen and glucose. Again, go through the different organelles and see the close-up view. Lastly, we have bacteria. We have an agar plate of bacteria. We sample it. The standard view here is 10,000 times because bacteria cells are much smaller than plant and animal cells. And again, you can drag through the different organelles of the bacteria. You can do a show close-up view of the bacterial membrane and understand what is happening here. So this is a great little gizmo to show you all the organelles in animals, plant, and bacteria cell. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comments below.